How to add hashtags to your pins on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add hashtags to your pins on Pinterest. For that, you'll have to open your Pinterest application on your device and navigate to the home page. Here, click on that profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select pins from the options. Within your pins, locate the one you have previously uploaded. You can also do this by clicking on this Created by You option to filter your pins. Choose the pin you want to edit. Once you have selected the pin, you will see 3 dots at the top of the screen. Click on them to reveal additional options. Here select Edit, and in the editing menu, look for the option labeled Add Details, which is in the second of the settings. Here you can add hashtag to your pin. Start by typing the hashtag symbol followed by keyword related to your pin. As you type, Pinterest will suggest related hashtags. Click on one of the suggestions to add it to your pin. If you want to add more hashtags, simply repeat the process by typing the hashtag symbol followed by another keyword. You can add multiple hashtags to your pin to increase its visibility. Once you have added all the desired hashtags, don't forget to click on that save button at the bottom of the screen to apply your changes. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.